Good morning, students. I'm Jyoti Rathore going to teach you the chapter Umana's Journey from class 4th EVS. In this chapter, Umana is the name of a girl who is very much excited as her summer vacation has been started, and she came to her mother and asked that where we people are going for our trip. Her mother replied that Bacha, we are going to our grandmother's house which is in Kerala, and recently they are living in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Now Umana is not going alone for the trip. Her friend Radha's family is also going with them. And the tickets has been confirmed, and they are very much excited for their journey. But unfortunately, the right leg of Radha got fractured 2 days before the journey. Radha is very good friend of Umana. Now Umana is very much sad. Doctor has advised Radha to take 6 weeks rest. So Radha's mother is saying that now we are not able to go for the journey. Now said Umana, she is thinking that how we people will enjoy the journey. Radha's mother gave her advice to write the diary, Umana's diary, which we are talking about in this chapter. Diary, so that Radha will be able to get the first hand experience of this beautiful train journey. As they are going by the train, they will go to the railway station and they will enjoy eating food and the railway platforms and the stations and the various things in the train. And now Umana came back to her place and she is looking for the blank copy and a pen. And now she is very much excited for writing the diary also. So students, in this chapter we are going to read about the railway stations, our helpers at the railway station, and the various stations which are coming in this journey from Ahmedabad to Kerala. Now in this chapter we will also came to know about the various regions and the weather in various regions. Like in the some places when we used to go by the train, we used to see that in some places we saw greeneries outside the window of the train, and in some places we used to see the brown and the very dry places. So Umana is going to experience all these things in this chapter. Firstly, in the first part of this chapter, we are going to read about the railway stations, and we will take the deep knowledge of the railway stations, like about the reservation chart. We will study about the tickets, what are the things which are mentioned in the tickets, and where we can see our reservation chart, whether it is confirmed, our reservation is confirmed or not. How can we came to know about our seats or the berths. And also we will came to know about the helpers which are ready, always ready at the railway station to help us out.
There are a lot of passengers at the station. Some passengers are entering the train and some are coming out of the train. There are several porters carrying the luggage of passengers. There is a restaurant. There is a drinking water store. There is an inquiry counter. There are various stalls like bookstall, tea stalls, and a fruit cellar. There is hustle everywhere.
Students, you have seen railway station and the lot of activities which are going on the railway station. Hope you have enjoyed. Now we'll talk about Umana diary. When the day came and the Umana reached the railway station, and they checked their names on reservation chart. Soon the train reached the platform and their train arrived, and they started going. They have seen that the coaches are already full, and there is very much noisy on the platform. And as the train was started in the morning from the Gandhidham, and Umana is boarding from the Ahmedabad. Now we will think about, you people will think that what is boarding. The boarding is the place from where we are going to start our journey, means from where we are going to get our train. At the reservation chart is the chart from where we can confirm our berth, that our seats are confirmed or they are on waiting mode. Now the train reached an Ahmedabad station, and somehow the Umana and her family managed to get inside the train. As there was very crowdy on the platform, the people were pushing and throwing the luggage outside, and some people were trying to go inside the train, and they are also pushing their luggage inside the train from the same door. Lot of activities from the one door only. Now when Umana is saying that when the train started, they were managed on their berth, and they were quite comfortable at the time when the train started from the Ahmedabad railway station. And after some time, the ticket checker came to their berth. And who is ticket checker now? Ticket checker is the person ticket collector is the person who used to come to check your ticket. Either you people are at your correct berth or not. Okay, students. Now you are getting. Then when the ticket collector will come, we people will show our tickets to the ticket collector, and he will mark that these people are on the right coach or in the right coach and at the right berth. Now, as soon as Umana managed to get her berth, she started writing as she has promised to her friend Radha. But Amma is saying that stop writing for now, because Amma was giving her some food to have. And Amma had packed a lot of things like the dhokla with the chutney and the lemon rice and some mithai. Will you people will take these things with you when you people will go out for the journey? Yes, of course. We all used to carry lot of things with us when we people go for the trip. Now, just move to the questions. Why was it so crowded at the door of the coach? Because there was only one door, and the people were coming outside from the same door, and a lot of people were trying to go inside the coach with the help of the same door. Have you ever traveled in a train? You people will tell me that you people have ever traveled with the train or not. What food would you like to take with you when you travel? So student, I will give this question to you as an assignment. You people will paste the photographs also, or you people can draw the things which you people would like to carry with you when you will go for a trip. What does the ticket checker do? What is the function of ticket checker? We were talking earlier about the ticket checker, that ticket checker is the person who used to check our tickets that we people are in right coach or not, or on our correct berth or not. Okay? Now, will you recognize the ticket checker? How will you recognize the ticket checker? So I think that you people can recognize the ticket checker with the help of his uniform. Umana is saying that after lunch some people slept, but Umana was not feeling sleepy, and she kept on looking out of the window. She saw many fields, but all the fields were brown and dry, and she also saw some villages. And it was looking outside that everything was flying, because as we know that when the train is moving in a very high speed, it seems like all the things are going in the opposite direction. So it was the same with Umana. Earlier it was really hot. Umana is saying that it was very hot outside in the afternoon, but as the evening is coming, there is a very cool outside, and it is feeling very pleasant to see out of the window. Now the train is about to reach the station Valsad. The train stopped there for the 2 minutes, and there was very much noise. As you people might have listened the noise when a station came. If you are traveling by the train, that the chai garam and the bread pakoda and the puri shaak and the lot of things, the hawkers used to come to you, and they used to sell a lot of things at the platform. The same thing happened with the Umana, and as she promised her friend Radha to narrate each and all things, so Umana is narrating each and everything and sharing all her experiences with you. Umana is saying that they quickly managed to buy some chikus and bananas at the Valsad station. Now, what did Umana see from the window? As we read earlier, that Umana saw the fields which are brown and dry, and some villages outside the window. What are the some of the things that are sold at railway station? Similarly, students, I will give this question to you as a project, and you people will make a collage, or you people can paste or draw the pictures of this the things which are sold at railway station in your copy. I have made some friends. As Umana has decided to enjoy this trip, she is saying that she has managed to make some friends there, and they were also going the same station where Umana was going, and the place was Kozhikode. Kozhikode is in students, please remember this thing very clearly, that Kozhikode is in Kerala. Now in my next video I will also share map with you that Kozhikode is in Kerala, and Umana has started her journey from the state Gujarat, and the stations Gandhidham and the Ahmedabad and the Valsad still we are talking about, these are in Gujarat state. Now, a little while ago, I went to brush my teeth, but there was no water in the bathroom. Somebody said that it will only be filled at the next big station. Now, Umana came to know. Discuss few more questions. Why do you think there was no water in the bathroom of the train? Discuss. Means we will discuss this question later on, that why there was no water in the bathroom of the train. So there was no water in the train because I think because a lot of people were using the water, and the train is not able to fill water in the tank at each and every station. The only big stations are capable of filling the water in the train's tank. So that's why there was no water in the bathroom of the train. Imagine that you are going on a long train journey. What are the things that you will take with you to help pass the time? You people will tell me about these things, that how you people will pass your time in the train. Can you recognize who are these people shown in the picture? What work do they do? Discuss. First, we can see the picture of coolie. Coolie, you people might have known the person coolie. Coolie used to carry our luggage at the railway station. Second one is guard. The guard work is to show the green and red flag to the train. Green means the train will start moving, and the red means the train will stop. And the third picture is of train driver. The driver who is going to take you for the trip. And fourth is the picture of the ticket checker, or we can say ticket collector. And fifth is the policeman, railway policeman. And sixth is the picture of the sweeper or the cleaner, the person who is going to clean the railway station and as well as the train for you and for all. Seventh is the picture of the ticket counter, and the ticket clerk madam gave you the ticket from this railway station. On this note, I am going to conclude this chapter by this video only, and we will discuss. Hope you people have enjoyed this chapter through my video, and you have got the lot of knowledge with the help of this video. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.